If you want to see how to go from this to this, stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna again start with our dark, and that's gonna be the ebony. And for each different species of wood, it's different. Like, this isn't what I do for my black walnut, but we're just adding, there's no like super, like, just add it. Like, it doesn't have to be freaking perfect. Cause see, look right here. That's the way the trees was. That's the regular, like what the trees is. Okay, so we're just matching that. Okay. So then I am going to do espresso. And I just put some on this rag with brush. And then I'm going to do the English chestnut. And this is that reddish, kind of reddish tint. And like I said, I'm just gonna put it on here with the rest of them. And this is gonna blend the colors. I'm gonna add some more of the English chestnut over here. And then I am going to put the golden oak. So I'm going to kind of get a clean part for the golden oak. And this is going to blend it. What do you think? Here, let's finish. All right. So that's how you do a faux live edge. Like I said, the color scheme would change from one to the other, but that's it.